Good morning, Indiana Studies students. It is Tuesday, August the 18th, 2020. Mr. Teague is not in today. I had to stay home with one of my children, my eldest. So I'm going to introduce the agenda for you while the substitute is supervising you today, and that's it. So let's get started. First things first, this assignment has already been issued to you. It was issued last Friday, and some of you got it yesterday, Early Europeans in Indiana. Please complete this Webquest by the end of class today, and so I'll go ahead and I'll look at it in the classroom. Here it is. There's you guys. Going to go ahead and click it. There it is. Make a graphic showing the trade of items between Europeans and American Indians. If you are stuck on this one, like you don't get it, just like make a T-chart. So Europeans, American Indians, and then what goods they were trading with each other. Okay? So please complete all these questions before you leave today, and then I'm going to go ahead and go back. The next assignment is the Indiana map activity, and this is new. There are paper copies on the big table in the front of the room in case the substitute teacher does not hand them out to you like I asked in my subplans, but I'm sure they're going to do great and do that. But just in case, you know where they are. And so the Indiana map activity, this is something you can complete like via markup on your iPad if you don't want the paper version, or you can do it on paper and then take pictures of it and turn it in. And so I'll go ahead and I'll look at that. Let's go to classwork. Let's go down. Your Early Europeans, physical features map, Indiana map activity. There it is. I'm going to pull it up. It's in Google Docs. And so please go through. You can do this virtually on your iPad if you want to like save this picture to your iPad and then go through these and mark them digitally on the map if you want, or draw them. It's up to you. Either way, you have to turn this in by taking pictures and turning it in digitally on the Google Classroom. So please go through these items, label them on the map, and please use the legend indicators. I'm not asking you to make a legend, but please, for the old forts, for instance, use a hollow square. And then for cities, I'm asking you to put capital city with a star, plain bold dot for all others. So please follow directions and get started on the Indiana map. This content will be on your quiz at the end of the week, and I'm reaching my limit of 3 minutes for this video that I set for myself because I talk too much, as you well know. If there are any questions today, please email me. And you guys have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.